Hello, friends. Hopefully, you know me by now. I won't need to introduce myself every time. So here we are. This is the fourth day of work since July 1st. We worked the 1st, the 3rd, the 8th, and the 10th so far. This is the second half of the year. If you would like to go to the previous recordings, you may get the full story, but this one will be very, very brief. We've added a product to the KLT Referral Network. Let me get you connected to a 5-minute recording. Stand by. So here we are. This is a recording we do every Monday and Wednesday, noon to 2 p.m. Eastern. And here's my email. Here's my phone number. If you'd like to be a part of the recordings, let us. Here's the recording of the day. Again, about 5 minutes. Listen.
Do you ever wish you'd played a part in a tech revolution before it got really? It was a Harvard student directory, Amazon when Jeff Bezos ran it from his garage, or ChatGPT before it became the fastest adopted software in history. Well, you missed out on those three, but today, you have a chance to get in on a project that's about to change the way the world communicates forever, building on two of the largest technology trends in the world right now: video conferencing and blockchain. Have you ever asked yourself why huge video conferencing companies let you use their service for free? I mean, think about it. If you're not paying for the product, you are the product. That free video platform you're using is really in the business of big data collection. They collect your personal data, your contacts, even data you share during your calls. Then they use this to manipulate you through targeted ads and other means. In 2020, Zoom suffered a security breach where hackers stole data from over 500,000 accounts. Data was then sold on the dark web, leading to identity theft, password hijacking, and perhaps most disturbing, people being spied on during their video calls. With intrusions happening so often, it earned a nickname, Zoom bombing. But what's the alternative? Introducing Arlink. Arlink is the world's first video conferencing platform that isn't owned and operated by a company, but by a community. This is video conferencing for the people, by the people. Instead of being run by a company, Arlink runs on a community-driven blockchain, built by people who care a lot about having unmatched security and privacy. A blockchain is a decentralized network of computers, each operated by a community member anywhere around the world. And because blockchains are designed so that nobody is at the top controlling it, decisions are made by community vote for the good of the people. This is why blockchain is now one of the fastest growing technologies on the planet. The World Economic Forum recently said blockchain could disrupt a staggering $867 trillion in traditional markets. And global investment giants, including BlackRock and Fidelity, are making huge moves in the space. Today, you have the opportunity to get involved and participate in blockchain with Arlink before it gains mass adoption. How exactly does Arlink work? Okay, imagine your Arlink account was a 10,000-piece jigsaw puzzle. With traditional video conferencing, you give all 10,000 pieces to one single entity and just hope they keep it safe and protected. In contrast, on a decentralized blockchain, each of your 10,000 puzzle pieces are broken up and stored across 10,000 different computers all around the world, each operated by an independent community member. A hacker would need to find, then break into the majority of those 10,000 computers, all at the same time. Totally impossible. And because Arlink is community-driven, it's also community rewarded. This is the most exciting thing about blockchain. Every time you use our link, you'll earn digital rewards from the Rally blockchain. Every time you invite someone else to use our link, you'll earn even more digital rewards. You can use these rewards to pay for premium services on the R-Link platform. But just like Marriott Points or Sky Miles, these digital rewards can also be traded for items inside a marketplace. And while the R-Link marketplace is still on the future roadmap, once completed, it will offer items the Rally community decides to trade for the R-Link digital reward. If you really want to maximize the rate at which you earn R-Link rewards, you can purchase the R-Link Node software and become one of the community members running the blockchain. Once this is installed, you'll contribute a fraction of your computer's power to run the Rally blockchain, which is what makes this incredible service available to the public without needing a company at the top to run it all. In return, you'll receive a daily share in the R-Link digital rewards distribution at a rate orders of magnitude higher than just using and sharing the platform. So, you missed out on Facebook. You missed out on Amazon and ChatGPT. Don't miss out on R-Link. Help disrupt the way the world communicates for the better. Talk to the person who sent you this video to set up your R-Link account and to purchase your R-Link Node software today.
Okay, sorry about that little apparent confusion. We thought we had paused the recording, but we just want you to know we are creating temporary internet job positions all over the United States. And we have established 7 positions that will basically operate until we have 49, then 343, and we'll close out a unit with 2401. That's 2,401 temporary internet job positions. We'll move on from there once that goal has been achieved. So, if you will, bear with me another moment. All right, we are about to close this out. I will need another screen to do so. And that's this one. We are the KLT Referral Network. If you have questions, give us a call. This is a 24-hour voicemail setup. We'll get the messages and respond very timely. 641-715-3900. The system will ask for an extension. That's when you provide 712-423-pound. If you have something to say, if you'd like to make a contribution, if you have questions, whatever, you'll have plenty of time to make a recording. Ask that you keep it under 5 minutes, but sometimes people want to make full presentations, and that takes a lot longer, so we'll be a lot longer responding. But again, we want to thank you for joining us today in this shortest ever recording, Mondays and Wednesdays, the KLT Referral Network, Team CCC. Join us, and thank you for listening.